If you need Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on your computer, but you don't want to pay for Microsoft 365 or use any suspicious software, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you a free and safe way to use Office-style apps on your Windows PC without piracy. So let's get started. First, go to the official FreeOffice website. I'll leave the link in the video description. FreeOffice is one of the best free alternatives to Microsoft Office. It includes apps similar to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and it supports the most common document formats used for work, school, and everyday tasks, including the option to export your documents as PDF files. And since we're talking about PDF files, I also want to quickly show you SwiftDo PDF, a useful tool for working with documents on your PC. With SwiftDo PDF, you can edit PDF files, convert a PDF to Word when you need to reuse the content, and merge multiple PDFs into a single file in just a few clicks. It also includes other useful tools for people who work with documents every day, and it is also available on other platforms if you need to access your files across different devices. I'll leave the SwiftDo PDF link in the video description so you can check it out. Now, let's continue with FreeOffice. On the FreeOffice website, choose the version for your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click Download for Windows. Now just wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, you can open the installer directly from your browser or by going to your Downloads folder. Now click Next. Accept the terms of use and click Next again. After that, click Install. If Windows shows a permission message, just click Yes to continue. Now wait a few moments while the program is installed on your computer. And that's it. Installation completed. Now just click Finish. As you can see, the FreeOffice apps are now available on the desktop. The red one works like Word, the green one works like Excel, and the yellow one works like PowerPoint. Now let's open the app. When launching it for the first time, choose your preferred theme and click OK. You may also see another window asking for user information. This part is optional, so you can just close it or click Cancel. Now, before you start using the program, let's activate it for free. This process is completely official, and you don't need to download anything suspicious to unlock it. Inside FreeOffice, click the question mark icon in the top corner, then click Manage License. Now, choose the option to get a free product key. Here, enter a valid email address that you can access, because FreeOffice will send the confirmation email and the activation key directly to that email. After that, click Get Free Product Key. Now open your email inbox and look for the message sent by FreeOffice. Inside that email, you'll find the option to confirm your registration. After confirming, you'll receive the product key. Now just copy the key, go back to the app, paste it into the activation field, and click Unlock. And done. FreeOffice is now fully activated on your computer for free. And one important detail, this activation works for the entire suite, so you don't need to activate the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint alternatives separately. So basically that's it. As you can see, FreeOffice has a very familiar interface and already includes most of the tools people use every day to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on a PC. So if you need Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on your computer, FreeOffice is a very useful and completely free option to use without relying on a pirated software or suspicious programs. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who also needs Office on their PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.